Yeah, I can cover it. It's so bad.
I said I'm doing you because you're so pretty. She pulls out this gnarly ass bruise. Show the camera.
I love some bubbly. Bianca, I had to shear. Hang on, I haven't tried my tea yet. You're stressing me out. I'm exhausted. This is
First world problem, Bianca.
Really. Hey guys, it's your wannabe tea experts from TeaVendor in LA. This is Siobhán.
And this is Bianca, and we are at the Huntington Tea Rose Garden at the Huntington Library.
So we're here to try their newly renovated afternoon tea service.
Yes, so last time I came here, and also last time Siobhán came here, it was like buffet style, not really what you would expect from an afternoon tea place. So I'm super excited to try it.
Yeah. So, Bianca, why don't we go and get this thing started, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So far, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I love the remodel. It's very much of an improvement.
Garden, drinking tea like Bridgerton.
And we're gonna have a glass of prosecco coming.
I love prosecco. Thank God I brought my roommate because she's driving me home. It's like giving Hamptons.
Yeah, I loved the blue. It was kind of like an eggshell
It's giving
blue.
kind of like by the sea.
Yes, yeah, it is.
Clean. I love the remodel. I think from what I remember last time, it was like a buffet style.
Yes, it was.
And
it was one room.
That was the first time I tried caviar, and it turned me off caviar forever. But now I love caviar, so I'm actually kind of wanting to try some caviar here.
It's called growth.
It's gross. I love caviar now.
Yeah,
I had to shear. Hang on, I haven't tried my tea yet. You're stressing me out.
How do you like it?
That's full.
That's risking it.
That is risking it. That's brave.
I know, and I'm in white.
It's a nice prosecco, actually.
Prosecco. I think that was a lot. But I love lemon curd.
I love it here. For the two of you, the lobster roll. Pardon me. And our gorgeous tier right in the center. Perfect. Wow. Would you like me to go through the service we got today? The BLT on rye bread. On top is our James Beard sandwich. That is a sweet onion wrapped in herbs. To my right, we have the artichoke and herb salad sandwich on pumpernickel bread. And on top is our smoked salmon with caviar. Second tier, we have the traditional cucumber tea sandwich, and right above is our truffled egg salad sandwich. And lastly is our seasonal fruit tart with an apple filling and mixed berries on top.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Can we cheers them? Yeah. They're cute.
Cheers.
Okay, so how do we eat this? You just pop it in one go?
Yeah.
How did oh, there we go. Okay. I like took a moment. What was in that again?
No idea.
No idea, but it was so yummy.
It's like lemony. Like some sort of lemon
Getting
cushion
some
chocolate.
sort of like fruit.
Yeah.
Citrus, yeah. Dried rose petals. I'm giving that salt. It's very cute.
Very demure.
You want to say it again?
Very cutesy. Very demure.
Are we Demure?
Demure.
Should we start with the lobster?
Oh yeah.
What did we get? Was it the Huntington tea?
Yeah, we got the Huntington tea.
Comes with an addition of the prosecco, the lobster roll, and a chocolate bonbon. So cheers, Bianca. I like our little cheers routine.
I don't know how to
Very demure. I know you might not want to get this on camera because it might not be very attractive.
The way that you aggressively zoomed in.
Ladies, how are we doing here? So far, so good?
She did me too. The aggressive zoom in.
The bread is a little dry. But I do like the lobster.
It's a generous lobster. I need something though. I need like
Moisture.
maybe a little wetter and maybe a little, I don't know, something seasoning wise, I think. we moving on to the salmon?
Yeah, let's move on to the salmon. So
And you're getting your caviar.
I know.
That one has more if you want it.
That's okay. You can enjoy the finer things on your birthday.
Oh, thanks. Okay. We're gonna cheers everything.
Cheers.
Oh, I went caviar first.
Saving for the end. I like
I
it.
like it. I taste a very nice citrus on it. It's very like soft. I like it. This was nice. That was very nice. I think I made a good one. Same. It was very low. I think I make a better one. Secret is the cream cheese.
What cream cheese do you use?
That wouldn't be a secret if I told the world. I can tell you off camera. Cut. Cut.
They're melting.
Quick. Oh, that is rich. Wait, did you do that in one go?
You good?
Take a water. I did mine in 2 bites just in case. Oh my god. It's like straight ganache.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with whatever the heck this is. Oh, it's the
I'll do that
onion
one
one,
too.
right? The onion.
Yeah, I think it's like a cheese and onion.
I actually really love that. I love.
Have you had the Tato crisps? The cheese and onion Tato crisps?
Yeah.
Those are my favorite.
When I flew home from London once, they gave cheese and onion sandwiches on a plane, and it was the most delicious thing I'd ever had in my entire life.
Have you ever gotten white bread with mayonnaise or butter if you're in Europe and just put the cheese and onion crisps?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
So good.
Okay, so cheers. It's so good.
I'll be going home and making this for dinner.
I find that sometimes the most simple ingredients always make the best dishes.
I just love onion anything.
Oh, and cheese. That's nice. You get the onion, but you're not assaulted by the onion. Well, onion can be really strong. She made me laugh.
Onion doesn't punch you in the face. No, but my breath will after. I really, really love that onion sandwich.
Yeah, it was nice and delicate. It was light.
Delicate. Okay, now we're trying the eggy sandwich.
I think she said it was smoked.
I don't care. Well, I'll be the judge of it. Cheers. Bland.
It needs salt and a little pepper.
It needs the smoke.
Yeah.
Not my favorite.
No.
I'm gonna put my not favorites on another plate. Yeah.
There's nothing exciting.
There's nothing exciting about it. Like, I've had smoked egg sandwiches that are
Yeah.
really, really good.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's got seasoning in it, so I'm unsure of what I'm missing. Maybe it's me.
No.
Never really is, but maybe it is.
I didn't get it either. So I agree with you.
So the bottle's chilled to make sure that it's.
It's like an artichoke.
Oh wait, ew, do that again.
I said ew. It's like an artichoke spinach.
Okay, I'm not a big artichoke fan. So. Cheers.
I'm looking for it. I can't find it. I don't like artichoke.
I don't like artichokes, so.
I can't find the flavor.
It was fine, I just didn't
Like mildly peppery. Like mild pepper.
There's two more to try, but like maybe let's switch it up with like a sweet or something.
And I want to end on the BLT for the, like whatever last sandwich we try.
Okay.
Obviously we have to end on the sweet, but like.
Okay, let's do. No, I can't do chocolate right now.
No, I think we should do either the Madeleine.
Yeah,
Or
Madelaine's it is.
it's a little dark.
But moist. Which is
Moist. But the edges are a little hard.
Oh, it is hard like at the very
It's
end.
a little hard. Hold on, I wanna
Oh,
so there's bounce to it. So it looks moist. Nothing special.
Right back,
It's like a little buttery, but like
right back together.
mine's a little burnt tasting.
Yeah,
Like
they've-
over baked. Cheers. My cucumber needs some salt sprinkled on top.
Honestly, it tastes like what it is. Cucumber sandwich.
The cream cheese, I think, is just a plain cream cheese. There's no. See, typically when I make a cucumber sandwich, I use a chive and onion cream cheese because cucumber is such a mild flavor. Most of the time, you need something to like add that kind of a bit of a jump for your taste buds.
Yes.
Yeah. Our last one is the BLT.
It's getting worse as we go.
I know.
And usually when I have a little prosecco in me, I'm like get excited.
Maybe drink more. I do think I want to end on this one because
Okay.
it's lighter.
Let's
This
try
looks
this
like it's going to be heavier.
Jesus Christ.
Cheers. I'm hoping this is buttery.
That's yummy.
Is it like a sea salt chocolate?
I'm quite enjoying that.
The pastry's nice. Yeah, it's crumbly. Okay.
Okay.
So far, the sweets have been better,
Yeah.
except for the one.
Except for the Madeline. Madeline was the worst, but the James Beard sandwich I thought was the best. So far.
Yeah.
you can have mine because I didn't like it.
Goodness.
Because I've never had a BLT or afternoon tea before.
Yeah, I don't actually think I've ever had a BLT, period.
What?
I don't think so either.
Like, it's just not something I would ever order because it's just so basic sandwich. Yeah, that's why I would never order it.
Though, because you get the saltiness from the bacon, you get the nice crisp fresh lettuce, and then the nice, tender.
And I don't like tomatoes.
Okay, I'm not a big tomato person either, but it hits. It hits during the summer. Lots of mayonnaise. You're a mayonnaise person?
Yeah, okay, I mean, I'm down to try this, but
The next video, Bianca makes a tea flavored BLT.
a BLT sandwich. I really enjoy this James Beard. This guy knows what he's doing.
Well, I mean, he does have an award named after him. A very prestigious
What's
one.
your name?
The James Beard Award.
This one.
The James Beard cheese and onion.
The James, this is gonna be really close so you guys can come to your mic. The James Beard onion one tastes kind of like perfume.
Oh, that's funny because we liked that one.
I'm getting like a, I don't know what it is. Like it just kind of reminds me of, it has like a, it tastes like how something would smell.
Well, they
Does that make sense?
use a sweet onion, so that might be what you're getting at.
It's like a little perfumey.
They used a sweet onion. I could tell.
It's an interesting opinion to have.
I'm like tasting
I'm horrible.
specific
Like this.
notes from it. Yeah.
We're having the BLT, but it looks like there's caramelized onion. So it's a
Exhausted.
BLOT, a blot. Just out of that. Blot. BLOT.
Funny. You're silly. I'm exhausted. This is
First world
exhausting.
problem, Bianca.
Really.
I don't like the bread.
You didn't like it?
I like the onion.
That one was our favorite.
I know. Interesting.
We should have mics.
Well, what's your rank
I think there's
compared to the
caraway
other
seeds. I think there's caraway seeds in the bread, and I can't stand caraway seeds.
one? Very specific.
Can you show me, Bianca, the bread real quick?
I don't know. I think I don't really like the sweet onion. Like I don't like an onion relish like that. And I wish the bacon was more heavy. I don't like tomatoes, so.
Look at that. I'm just searching for bacon, and that's the only piece I could find.
Yeah.
And it's predominantly the fatty part.
I need to go for a walk.
We can go for a stroll.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
All right, I am gonna try the fruit tart. I believe she said this had a apple on the base, so it's not your traditional custard. So I'm hoping that's true because I love anything apple. It's like the faintest whisper of apple. Exactly. Yeah. It's nice. It's a typical fruit tart. I love apple though, so I was hoping for the apple to kind of like punch me in the face.
Apple.
Oh my God,
I do.
love apple dessert.
All three of us love apple.
Apple dessert.
Basic fruit. It's like apple, banana, orange. It's
I hate
like
banana.
Okay, but in
I love banana.
an apple pie or an apple crumble or an apple.
no.
I feel like basic culture has like gone too far from the internet. Because even saying like a fruit is basic, I feel like we've lost the plot.
No, I'm just like if I were to say what's my favorite fruit, it's like a mango or it's a passion fruit. Thank you.
That's right. It's her birthday and she likes apples and I support it.
It is basic,
Go ahead. It's
but they're still good. An apple a day.
But no, I do love like apple desserts.
Glitter in the little truffle.
Wow, it looks good.
That's nice. It's very light. You would think it would be like really heavy, but it's nice and light. So we just finished our afternoon tea and we're gonna go take a stroll in the garden, Bianca. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye. So we've wrapped our afternoon tea and it's still hot, so I'm still fanning myself. But why don't we get into it? We have some thoughts, some good, some so-so. So if you can't
quite,
tell, Bianca's not doing too well.
I'm feeling quite nauseous after that. It was a lot of food. It was a lot of different kinds of food. So just so you know, it's 70. So you have to choose one of two afternoon tea services.
Per person.
One is per person. One is the traditional and one is the Huntington. And the only difference is the Huntington one comes with a glass of prosecco, lobster rolls, and a truffle that nearly killed me.
Wait, did you do that in one go?
Are you good?
Did you go water? Oh my God. It's like straight ganache. Yeah,
You'll see.
It was a lot of
Or
chocolate.
as you saw, nearly killed me.
First thing that comes to mind for me, it was underwhelming.
Yeah, just kind of bland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It needed a
Like-
little more seasoning.
Yeah, but most English tea is like that. You know, it's seasoned very lightly, salt and pepper. So I think it's very traditional in that sense.
There wasn't even salt on some of them, though. I do have to be quite honest. Like
The cucumber.
It was a little bland
Yeah,
for
but
what I was hoping.
Would I bring my mother here for afternoon tea? Yeah, because you know what? At the end of the day, it was a really good experience. Like,
Yeah.
it's cute.
The setting is adorable.
Don't we look adorable?
Staff was
We're really
amazing.
great. Yeah, Tiffany, shout out to you. You're awesome.
Yes. It overall, I think if we were to give it a rating out of 5, I'd probably give it like a 3.5. Like,
I'd give it a 3.1.
yeah, I was gonna say like maybe like a 3.2.
So,
Yeah, I think for the experience, do it.
yeah.
It's gorgeous. You
Agreed.
couldn't ask for a better setting.
And you can spend the whole day here.
Yeah,
So,
because you do have to pay entry to come in.
yes.
Just because you have a reservation for the afternoon tea does not
Right.
mean you
Which
also
is an
get
additional $30 a person. So just keep that in mind. But that's been it for us for today, guys. So like and subscribe for some more tea, or some more tips, tricks, recipes, and tea reviews.
it. Bye, guys.